Hello everyone, my name is Kimberly Lopez and this is my week 4 sketchbook tour for the measurements. So this is my cube and the vase. The cube, this is actually the third one that I did. The first two I was having problems with getting the more square shape on the drawing. What helped me get the proportions for it was the 2 pencil method. So I placed a dot on the bottom right corner, and then I used 2 pencils on either side to kind of see how far on each side the drawing went out. For both of these, I would say they were pretty simple, other than that initial part of finding how wide and tall that initial box had to be. So these are my teapot and the sphere with the cone. For the teapot, I did have quite a bit of trouble. This was my second attempt. For the first one, I had a lot of trouble getting this top part even. What really helped me overall with this one was creating less lines and kind of just focusing on certain main points and going from there. So for example, right here on this handle part, I believe I only marked off that far left corner, this bottom part, and then where it attaches to the pot. The rest I just kind of like free-handed it, but it really did help with those 3 points instead of trying to find each and every single point around it. And that also helped with the whole lid in general. For this bottom one, I would say it was actually a lot easier than I expected. The sphere was pretty easy. Something that really helped me was just marking off the left point, right point, top and bottom, and then going from there. Some of the things kind of aligned with this cone, so that really helped. With this one, I also tried not making too many lines. I kept it a little simple. I want to say I did 3 lines going up and down. Sorry, 4 lines going up and down on this cone, and then about, again, 3 or 4 going left to right. These 2 were my last 2. I did find it a lot more easier when I got to this top one right here, since there were quite a bit of things that aligned, so I didn't have to make so many lines for that measurement. I kind of really like this way of measuring for proportions. I took art in high school and I learned how to draw by squares, kind of like a graph. So this is very similar to that, and that actually helped me out being able to also get nice shapes. So here is my bowl of apples at the bottom. The first time I saw it, I thought it was going to be very difficult to draw out because it had different points. It was one shape, but it was curving at a lot of different areas, so I thought it was going to be difficult to really pinpoint those main points. But it was actually pretty easy, a lot easier than I expected. This bottom apple did have kind of like some flat surfaces to it, so it does look a little bit weird on here. Overall, I really love this proportionate measuring method, and I will definitely be using it in the future. So this is the end of my week 4 sketchbook tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I am excited to see what you guys created. Thank you.